There are 4 different types of consolidations in Intact. You have global consolidation, you have domestic consolidation, advanced ownership consolidations, and management console consolidation. There is also a manual way of doing consolidations in Intact. I just call it the core Sage Intacct consolidation method, where you can manually make your journal entries. And we have a video on how to do your manual consolidation as well. So I'm going to talk about the different types of the consolidations and examples of those and when they would be useful. Most people are going to be in the domestic consolidation category because they are going to be operating in one currency. They're going to be in one country. And so they will be using domestic consolidation. If you have a global consolidation situation where you are in multiple countries, you have multiple base currencies, you'd be a good candidate for the global consolidation subscription. There is also another one called advanced ownership consolidation, where that is more for a structure of a company where you have partially owned entities, you have entities changing ownership. So developers or investment type of entities where their partners change frequently throughout the year. Advanced ownership consolidation handles those minority interests in partial ownership and also when ownership changes frequently. The final one is called management console consolidation. So that was formerly known as advanced consolidation. Don't confuse that with advanced ownership consolidation, okay? So this management console consolidation is if you have multiple Sage Intacct company IDs, so multiple logins, and you are trying to consolidate your various charts of accounts. So your chart of accounts could be different in those different entities and those different logins. So if you have a company ID of, let's say, ABC company, and then I sign in as me, and then I'm going to do a completely separate sign in as XYZ company in my company ID, and I'll have a set of entities as well. That is the management console consolidation. So if I want to consolidate ABC companies under that sign in to Intact and my XYZ companies, and I have completely different charts of accounts in those 2 instances, my 2 Sage Intacct instances, then management console consolidation could be useful to you. Okay. So just to share, so when I sign in, just visually here, so what I'm referring to is if you have multiple company IDs and you want to consolidate those multiple companies under those multiple company IDs into one consolidation. Okay. So visually, just to give you a little more on the advanced ownership consolidation, if you've got a multi-tier structure, you've got different ownership interests, you've got some minority interest going on, for example, here. And if these percentage ownerships change because new partners come in throughout the year, and it could change month to month or quarter to quarter, for example, advanced ownership consolidation would be a good reason to use that feature. So it will create the non-controlling interest, minority interest with that feature. Any questions on which one you should purchase, please reach out to us. But most of the time, if you are in one country, in the US, domestic consolidation will be the appropriate option for you. But if you are a complex structure and you have multiple tiers, multiple ownerships, you could potentially be in this advanced ownership consolidation feature as well. Okay, so please reach out to us if you have any questions, and we will be more than happy to assist.